Hi guys, I'm Tom Oxford and this is Mr. D, the IELTS Master.
What's up, guys?
If you want to get an 8 or even a 9 in the speaking section, keep on watching. What is the most popular fast food in your country?
Well, without a doubt, fish and chips. It's fish, usually cooked, covered in butter, and fried in oil till it becomes golden brown, served with crispy French fries. And what's ready? Tartar sauce. I bet they're eaten by everyone, from common people on bicycles to sports ladies in fancy cars. I believe they have become so popular for two reasons. First, it's absolutely delicious without any artificial additives like flavor enhancer. Second, it's the most effective way to fill you up for just £1, so you never have to tighten your belt.
If you want to speak like Mr. D, just go to our website tomoxford.co.uk, enroll on our course and watch the lessons where we reveal all the secrets of the IELTS exam. Thank you, Mr. D, for your excellent answer. Now it's time to look at the expressions you used. The first one, without a doubt, means that you are absolutely sure. Or you can also say, I bet. Next one, covered in batter. Batter, not better, is a mixture of eggs, milk and flour used in cooking to cover food such as fish or chicken before you fry it. Then crispy French fries and horseradish tartar sauce is rather popular sauce for fish and chips made of celery, pickles, horseradish and some other ingredients. You might be thinking right now, do I really need to know all this stuff, Mr. D?
Of course not! If you need a 6 or below, if your target is a 7 or above, you have to follow your vocabulary.
Do you mean that if the examiner asks me about food, I must demonstrate specific words connected to this topic?
Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. By the way, I know that many students can't memorize idioms because they don't learn them in context. But you can subscribe to our Instagram, Tom Oxford Tutor, where twice a week we publish short stories with idioms and collocations that you can easily use to improve your score in the speaking and writing sections.
Thank you for your advice. Right, let's move to the next expression, posh ladies in fancy cars. Posh ladies, rich ladies. You can also say affluent. Fancy cars, expensive cars like Ferrari or Aston Martin. Then, absolutely delicious without any artificial additives like flavor enhancers. Delicious means very tasty, but be careful. If you say very delicious, it's a serious mistake. Let's move to the next one, artificial additives. They are additives which are not natural. For example, strawberry flavor enhancers can make ice cream tastier, but there are no real strawberries, only the flavor. Finally, we have a phrasal verb to fill you up, which means to make your stomach full so you're not hungry anymore. And a nice idiom, tighten your belt, means to spend less money because you don't have much. All right, Mr. D, I've got a question.
Shoot!
Your answer is just 40 seconds, but you managed to use about 15 high-level expressions. I know you use the ABCD algorithm to build your answer, but how do you memorize all these words?
You're right. In the speaking section, I always use the ABCD algorithm, which is described in our IELTS course. But also, I've read a book.
What book?
How to memorize 3,000 words a year and never forget them.
You mean in this book I will find the secret of how to learn thousands of words and never forget them?
Of course, Mommy. Let's go and read it.
Actually, this is my book. I don't need to read it. This is my picture here.